guys. Hi, my name is Neha, and I have an immigration-related update for you. So USCIS, as of this morning, has announced a final rule. There is a change in the way they collect their fees, okay? And various forms are going to change. I'm going to go into details in just a little bit, but want you to know that October 2nd, 2020, this is the date when this change would go into effect. So I want you to remember that. And let me just quickly look at my notes. So basically, the forms that are going to change are the I-129 form, which is the petition for a non-immigrant worker, Form I-600 or I-600A, Form I-765, which is the employment authorization, the application for employment authorization, and Form I-912, which is request for a fee waiver. Now, let's just quickly go into the the increases in the fees. H1B, there's an increase from $460. It's going to be $555 for L1. Also, there's an increase, $460 to $805. So earlier the amount was $460. That was the fees earlier. Now it's $805 for O1. Again, the fees, earlier was $460. Now it is $705. And for I-140, from 555, actually it has gone down from 700. It's come down to $555. And for 485, I-485, again, the fees is down by $10 from $140. It's come down to $130. Now, you also must know this, that Form I-539, which is application to extend or change non-immigrant status. The online filing fee is, there's an increase of $20. So it's now going to cost $390 instead of $370. This is for online filing. For paper filing, there's a $30 increase. So instead of $370, the new fees is $400. And there is actually a 70% increase for I-129. The estimated cumulative cost is going to be around $10,000 to $12,000, which will include the lawyer's fee. Now, one major change is happening to premium processing. Earlier, the premium processing was 15 calendar days. Right now, premium processing would mean 15 business days, and the fees has gone up. The new fees is going to be $1,440. So that's a big change. For I-765, which is application for employment authorization, which a lot of you use for H4 EAD also, that has about 34% increase from $410. The fees will now be $550. Now, you must remember that there's no fee change for DACA. It still remains at $410 for DACA. This USCIS fee change is going to go into effect on October 2020. As we all know, USCIS has been going through some rough time and had requested for $1.2 billion bailout. There was a hearing this past week where the Judiciary Committee basically told USCIS that, hey, you need to be a little bit more transparent with your finances. So I'm just hoping that USCIS will be able to move forward with this fee increases and will be a little bit more efficient than it has been in the recent past. And as you all know, USCIS is completely funded by the fees for immigration and naturalization processes, and I hope it's able to run efficiently going forward. Again, another thing that we need to remember is that there will be a grace period of up to 60 days in which USCIS will accept both the old forms and the new forms, but as long as the payment is that of the new. So the correct fee must accompany the forms, and must remember the new or revised form must be submitted by October 2nd, 2020. That's when this entire change goes into effect. The new or the revised forms will be available on USCIS's website 30 days prior to October 2nd, so around September 2nd. So guys, this is all from me today. My name is Neha. I hope you found this video to be a little helpful. If you do, and if you have any questions, be sure to ask them below. Again, this is Neha. Thank you so much for joining me today.